In this video, I'm going to show you how to make class diagram in draw.io. There's actually two ways of doing it. I'm going to show you both. Now, the first and the easiest one is just to click on Arrange up top, hover over Insert, and then click on Template down here at the bottom. And in here, you can just search for class and then press Enter. And it's going to give you two samples of class diagrams. So you can just click and then insert them into your document over here. And of course, you can just go ahead and change whatever you want inside those diagrams. It's fully customizable, as you can see. And of course, that's the first way. But if you would like to build your very personal, your own class diagram, you can go ahead and do that too by clicking on More Shapes over here. And then you can scroll down a bit. You can see UML 2.5. If you click that in here, you'll be able to see a bunch of different objects you can use to create your class diagrams. I'm going to click on Apply over here, and it's going to get applied. I now have them in here inside my UML 2.0, and I can go ahead and basically just put them in here and create my own class diagram. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.